Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to install Python in our laptop or PC. So we are assuming that we have Windows 10. So let us start with the installation. To install Python, so we have to go for the Python downloads. So type Python download. So the first search is download Python in python.org. So click on this. So when you click on this, you can see python.org downloads. Okay, we have now the latest version at this time is Python 3.8.2. So click on this. So it will download it. Fine. So I have already downloaded. So I'll cancel this. You have to just click on this. So or else you can go to the download folder. You can double click on this Python 3.82. You don't have to go to download. Just you have to click on this particular Python. Now it is shown the some screen. Okay, now you have to be very careful here. Okay, install Python 3.8.2 32-bit. It's telling. So customize installation or install now. So add Python 3.82 path. This is very important. Click on this. By default it is not checked. Make sure that add Python 3.82 path. If you don't add this one, then it will be a problem. So if you have already installed Python, make sure uninstall the Python now. Install it again with add Python 3.82 path. Fine. Uninstall Python. If you have already have, then make sure this should be checked. Fine. Now install now. Click on this installation. So say yes here. So it's going to install Python for us. Okay. Now setup was successful. Just close this one. Fine. We'll make sure whether it has installed or not. So go for IDLE, type IDLE in the search or just type Python here. So or see here IDLE Python, click on this. Okay. Before we proceed to the Python, we need to install some of the libraries. So there are set of libraries available here. So we need to install these libraries. See here, there are 4 libraries are there: NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib and MySQL connector. So we'll install one by one. So to install this one, what we need to do is we need to search command prompt here, command prompt. See here it has come command prompt, or you have to type CMD or command prompt. So click on this. So you will get this particular screen. So already I have the screen here. So this is the screen that you are going to get, command prompt screen or CMD screen. You have to search. So at this level, so make sure you first type the commands in Notepad, and one by one you need to copy. Don't copy all the things at once. So just copy one by one. So this one, we need a NumPy library, Pandas library. So first let us install NumPy library here. So I'll copy paste. So you can see it's installing the NumPy library. So it will take some time to install. So it has installed the NumPy library. Next go to the Pandas. We'll install the Pandas library. Don't worry about the all these libraries. So we will see one by one later. Okay, this also has installed successfully. So you should get this message, successfully installed. So next we'll install this Matplotlib. We'll install this. So just you have to copy paste this command in command prompt. So we'll install the last one, MySQL connector. So this already I have installed. Okay, see, it's already I have installed. So that's why it is telling requirement already satisfied. So already I have this. So please make sure you need to install these 4 libraries before we proceed to the Python programs. Okay, so first install the Python as I have said, the same way. Don't miss out any of the steps. Then you install this library. Okay, thank you.